Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this episode we're going to go to a spooky church. Cue the intro. So we're about to jump on the bikes and head to a place called East Somerton, where we're going to go to a derelict church where the psychic has promised me he's going to take away all of my evil and bad habits by doing some kind of weird thing to me in this abandoned church. So we're going to jump on the bikes, head there now and check out this awesome place. Well, we're off, still in Norfolk, and off to see this amazing abandoned church. I believe it's in some kind of forest, and according to Google, many people have seen ghosts there and they've got scared and gone and given their mummy a big cuddle. So this could potentially happen in this episode. But we're going down some really interesting sort of back lanes and kind of like middle of nowhere stuff. So it looks a little bit insane. And now the next question is, are we actually here or not here already? Yeah, St Mary's Church, ruins, 100 yards. Oh, this could get interesting. Alright, let's get up here, let's go off the bike and let's check out what this is really like. So we are here, we have arrived at the church. Now the psychic has promised me he's going to do something to get rid of all of my wickedness and take me in there. And it's what you said. You said, I'm going to get rid of all your wickedness and your naughtiness and take you to a church.
Right, okay.
Okay, that's what he said off camera. So behind us is the place we're going to go. Stop looking at me, it's weird. Right behind me is the place with a tree going through the middle of a church. This was the psychic's idea, so I just want to say right now it's all his fault, but let's go and check it out. Well, we're here and this is it. It's an old ruin of a church with a tree in the middle, and apparently it's got an amazing story. The psychics tried to sprinkle, I think it's water on my head, but I told him to step back because it smelled a little bit like wee, to be honest. But ladies and gentlemen, let me give you the story of the weird tree in a weird church.
So this tree is called the Witch's Leg because apparently while this church was still in use, the local villagers dragged a witch to the altar and suffocated her and bludgeoned her to death, and as she laid there in a pool of her own blood dying, she cursed her leg to grow out the middle of the church to destroy their place of holy worship. Others though say that a squirrel came in and planted an acorn here, but you decide.
It's not Tarzan, dude.
I'm just checking the view out.
Come on, do the oh bit. Come on. So you've dragged me all the way here telling me that you're getting rid of all my wickedness and stuff, and the truth of it is you've took me to a place where someone was murdered and there's a tree.
Yeah.
So if you brought me here to do something like kill me, or is this just like, this is all a bit weird, isn't it?
You've got to watch out for the locals around here because they are a bit, you know, it's the fens and little villages, you know what goes on in places like that.
Sure, I think we should go.
It might be a good idea, yeah.
Yeah, are you a little bit scared?
Well, I am getting because there's people looking at us out that window over there, so...
Oh, yeah. I'm going to... I'll see you later. Bye-bye. So, we've just got back and we stopped for a couple of non-alcoholic beers on the way back. Of course, completely non-alcoholic in every single way. And as we sat there, the psychic looked deep into my eyes and he said, do you know what? Go, when we get back, he goes, get yourself in the camper, get yourself in your best ever outfit. Of course, the helmet head hoodie, available in the shop. Everybody knows it's the best in the world. He goes, come over and I'm going to cook you the best meal to say thank you for bringing me along on this awesome trip. So I'm going to go over and check out this lordship style meal that he's going to cook me in his camper. That's nice.
Fire going.
That's lovely.
Yeah.
I put my best outfit on, the helmet head thing. You told me to go and get dressed up, so...
That's your only outfit.
Well, it's the only outfit you need to wear, though, isn't it? Because it's helmet heads.
Bit champagne.
Have you pissed in it?
Well, you'll have to taste it, see, won't you?
That is bubbly champagne. So... this is really nice and I'm really shocked. So what's tonight's meal? Because we've got a lovely fire going, we've got a lovely soft chair.
The chair's mine. We've got to go out and get dinner yet.
What do you mean we've got to go and get dinner?
Well, we've seen the squirrels on the trees earlier, haven't we, and all that sort of thing. So, being going Bear Grylls styles, I thought we could go get some dinner.
No, you said we're going for like a really posh meal. You're going to cook me tonight.
Yeah, I'll cook it, but we've got to go and get it.
Right.
There it is. Look.
So psychic,
Yeah.
as you've cooked me this romantic meal, we're having Chinese together with prawn crackers over a lit fire after an amazing adventure together.
Yeah.
I want to say thank you, but you've got to feel quite privileged to be here with me to share this moment in this amazing place together.
Well, I've got to feel privileged to be here with you.
Yeah.
Why's that?
Well, you're with me. You're with a lord.
I'm with something. I wouldn't say it's a lord. More of a bell end.
I think the most important thing is I feel the same way.
Good.
I can't let you go, baby. I just want to tell you that. No, 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 no. Yeah. All of my friends say, girl, you better take care. 'Cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down